I think वो makeup में करेंगे तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है. अभी हम सिर्फ we're starting the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Gossips. So today I'm going to be having my sister doing my makeup.
Hi.
So that's Aisha, you guys, Boo Boo for short. If you guys have checked out my vlogs, if you haven't, go down to my channel and check them out right now. So this is sister does my makeup tag, as you guys have already must have read it. You guys need to see what she did to me though. You guys need to. So I do not have any makeup on right now, and if you guys want to watch it, go ahead. If you guys don't want to watch it, please don't watch it. I do not want negativity.
Okay?
We do not need negativity. No, out. So you guys, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe if you like me. If you don't, you're allowed to leave.
Wow,
if you do, I appreciate you guys. I really do. I love you guys. So keep watching and let's get on with her treachery. Do not put thing in my hair.
Why did you not do it properly? I think I should have started with the concealer. I might have to.
Are you serious? You put like सफेद रंग का foundation मेरे मुंह पे इतना ज़्यादा? You break anything, I will break your face, Aisha. And be nice and gentle. Does it look like my skin color? Does it look like my skin color?
No, you gave it to me.
That meant apply very less.
But contour के बाद it won't really show. Anastasia Beverly contour kit, and I'm going to go with the darkest one. Brush, and I'm using this one.
is my foundation brush.
I don't care. So I'm starting on with really dark contours. It's like I'm doing a tutorial because I've always wanted to, but my sister hasn't ever let me make a YouTube. This is what sisters do. They don't let you do what you want. Can you you need to get that highlight.
That's not
Highlight popping.
Yeah, we need a highlight popping under her double chin.
We have to have. We have to get our jawline popping, I love that. I think I'm gonna go with more contour because.
More contour, just what I needed.
Okay, I'm gonna pretend like nothing happened, but trust me, I will do it. I can conceal this part a little bit, I think.
I'm such a nice sister sitting in your treachery while you torture me.
That's my fan. I'm better. So,
Klaus actually
just-
kills people. She kills makeup.
Just for
They're always and forever. They're not like torture you. Come, I will spoil your makeup.
so where did the foundation go? Oh, here it is. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Just trying to correct it. Okay. This looks better. No, it doesn't. This needs real blending. Okay.
setting. So we're literally making my foundation of that color.
Okay.
Now it will be doing my eye.
Stop moving your lips, bro.
Keep it like that. They should see
Oh
what
my
you're
god.
doing.
Why? My arms look so fat.
Camera, can you stop that?
Why do I look so fat?
It's okay, now they've already been in the whole video, like you can start.
Dude, stop it moving. Open ho na.
This talks about your makeup skills, so you have to be very nice.
My makeup is always on point, so.
Then if you're doing this, that means that is your makeup skill. You're showing your makeup skill on your sister. Yes, really.
I don't know why.
I think you were tesofying the pencil so badly.
Because I like that. I'm just like filling in the sparse. But don't worry, I'm like correcting the whole thing.
But took your advice when you said, Happy, we're going for an event. मैं अच्छा मेकअप करती हूँ, क्या फर्क पड़ती है, मैं भी मेकअप कर देती हूँ ना आपकी, आपी. Can we go
You
ahead?
have an eyelash.
No shit. Don't you?
No. So for eye makeup, we are going to be using.
You are going to be very, very polite and gentle with my makeup.
Okay.
No, I'm
so-
saying that. for
Okay,
a
I
fact.
get it. We're gonna be using the balm watch that looks like shit inside because that's what my sister did to it. Who treats their makeup like this? I have pretty makeup.
Because it's my favorite.
So, a brush. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting off with like a dark color like this one because the crease. Close your eyes now. I'm starting with this eye.
I know. Best.
I don't know.
Yeah, put some foundation in your Now I'm going to conceal your nose.
Yeah. So I am not done with the eyes yet. I want something that is good. I want to color maybe so that my sister thinks that I know makeup.
Oh, it's okay, my love. It's only practice that makes us perfect.
I know makeup. Okay?
Shut up.
You're ruining my eye makeup. You talk so much.
That's my eye makeup. Okay?
No, it's not. Because I'm doing it right now. I feel like saying something else too, but that's just.
Actually, did you have your rose water today?
I don't go around farting.
Let's talk about that story. So like my sister randomly had rose water and it's like supposed to help you with constipation, and after that the whole round that we were taking around the park she kept on saying Api I need to fart so bad. She's like, Api, I just swallowed it down my throat and now I need to fart. I'm constipated. Like half of my life I've been constipated, so like of course I don't get to poop like normal people do.
Because you are not normal.
Because my pooping system is not very normal. So, you know, she went like, Api, you need to have it. It's like a blessing.
So now I'm going to go with some highlighter, and this is
Dressing
the
technique
Glow
is very
Care,
nice to it.
the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, and I'm gonna be going with Taffy because that's my favorite one, and I even like butterscotch. I don't like these two.
Taffy makes me kala.
So, you're Kali. sister was like, "You're a pig that day," and then because I eat a lot, so she was like, "You're a pig.
I said you eat like a pig.
You're a pig."
You eat like a pig, and then she
You
was.
ruined it. Stop talking. Who talks when they're putting on lipstick?
So this is the final result. Okay, so this is how she dressed me up in the end. You guys can take a very close look. Damn, that winged eyeliner, bro. Damn. So that is the final result, and I have to admit that the way she put on my lipstick is way better than how I can put on my lipstick, because I'm not so good with lipstick. No. So yeah, so I hope you guys like that, and I hope you guys will comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And there's another video in which I dressed her up. You guys can check that video out as well. So lots of love. Bye bye.